Watch, ready, steady, cook! Yay! Yay, so Jessica, what are you making today?
Oranges.
Oh my god, really? How do you make them?
They get orange in the kit.
Let's zoom up on that. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at it. Look at the face. The face of a chef.
Then if you do this, and no, this. No.
Are you making a swan?
Yeah, well. Right, two parts go together. It's like a jigsaw puzzle.
I'll just be back with you in a minute. Let's go to the next item. The toaster. So, sister, what are you making today?
Toast!
Yeah, you're boring. Now we're back.
I cannot seem to find where this goes. I think these two were together, but I'm not sure.
There's 4 pieces. So to add. Anyway, I'm the host, Miss Holly Terrier.
Give me a minute. Okay.
Did you give up? She gave up. She's not the winner. That was the chef's best.